You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Wednesday, May 17th, and we've got a great show for you today. Here's what we've got coming up if you're watching live. Talking about Wall Street, the stock market is absolutely collapsing today. Could be a perfect day to make money, to be honest with you. Apple's got some new laptops coming up. Witcher is coming out on Netflix. Amazon TV launching, and we're going to be talking Sega. So that's what we got coming up for those of you watching live. If you're watching a recap video, those are going to be the individual stories that we post today. So let's go ahead and let's jump right in. Wall Street is down. The stock market is plummeting today. I think this is one of those days that's absolutely perfect no matter what type of investor you are. So it's going to be, I think today is going to be a day to make a lot of money. So let's pull up the market and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Basically, people are saying the news, the turmoil around Wall Street is finally catching up and the markets are all down. As you can see, the S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ are all down over 1%. So basically, the stock market likes consistency and predictability. When things start going crazy in the news, that's when stocks are down. Now, if I was still trading stocks and not just investing, this is the perfect day you look for to buy in on a trade to make some money. We got the messages are blowing up all over the place. We'll get to people when we get a chance here. But so if you're looking to invest, let's just take a look at a couple of strategies. The strategy I've got right now for building my kids' portfolio is buy and hold dividend stocks. And one of those that we really like is Activision. So let me pull up Activision here. Activision is down 3%. They're actually down a little bit lower today where they're almost down 4%. Now, what Activision has nothing to do with the politics going on in Washington right now, but they are taking a 3% hit today. And tomorrow, they are going to be showing off Destiny 2. Huge hype around this. Activision has been on an upward trajectory for the last several years, as a matter of fact. So if you were to buy more stocks a day like this for your buy and hold stocks like Activision, it's down for no reason today, 3-4%. Perfect time to add to your position. If you are a trader, we've been talking a lot about AMD. AMD bounced up 11% yesterday. It's down 9% today. Okay? So yesterday they had news with some partnerships with Intel and different things like that. They had their conference, which they had talked about, that was going to be after their initial earnings release. A lot of good news for that. Everyone was so happy yesterday, and it had bounced up 11% over the day. You can see where it went up like crazy yesterday. Very next day, nothing's changed, and here we are. We are down 9% with AMD. So if you are a trader, you have got a great opportunity for a 9% bump right now in AMD. Nothing has changed from the news that came out yesterday with AMD. It's just down because everything is down today. So if I were a trader, that would be a great pickup right there. Our speculative picks, we had one of the viewer stocks was Square, and they've been doing very well at the payment company. Square Inc., they're down 1.5% today. Again, depending on the strategy that you use, and this stock has been going up, they're a great pickup today because they're announcing multiple states they're rolling out their payroll system, which has got a lot of buzz for the small business users. That's coming out. So, again, no reason for Square to be beaten down today, but it is like every other stock. And then finally, if you are one of these people that invests off of charts, Why today is such a great day for you is because you can test your theories with some of these companies. Now, the chart analysts have been looking at Qualcomm and they're saying it's getting ready to break out as it meets a certain resistance level here. I don't have the charts up, but you can see they have been charting it as it's bounced between these two averages, and they believe that it's going to break out above that and hit around $60 or so, a little bit more. One of the things that if you trade off of the charts, a day like today, like I said, you can kind of test your theory, because while literally just about every stock is down, 1.5–2% or more, these stocks that are trying their resistance levels, see if where their floor is, their bottom are, they're hitting that floor. So if you're investing off of the charts, this kind of gives you a little bit of relief that, okay, my theory was right. It is testing the bottom here because it should be down 1.5–2% like everything else. So that could be a great sign for you, chart investor, that it's going to break out to the upside. So while the stock market is getting trashed today, I look at today as this is one of those rare, almost perfect days, no matter what type of investor you are, that you have an opportunity to buy up more of your stock, the ones that you like. You can get a quick bump like AMD off of a good trade. You can test your levels, your theories, if you're looking at the charts. And some of your speculative picks, they could be down as well and offer you a great opportunity to get into them. So I hope some people are taking advantage of today, the action that's in on the stocks. And I hope a lot of people are making money, because it's looking ugly out there. As you can see below, the ticker with the stocks that we own, they're getting beat up today. And you don't want to look at how much money you lose on a day like this, but you want to take the opportunity. This could be one to buy. Now, it could keep sliding tomorrow and you got better opportunity. This is where, if you're active, you got to kind of watch what's going on first thing in the morning, what the futures are showing, what the news is. But certainly tomorrow, if they go down again, stocks like AMD that bumped up 11% yesterday, if they continue to go down because of news on what the president's doing, you've got a great opportunity for 10, 12, 14% upside with that type of trade, in my opinion. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you going to make some money today? What are some of the interesting stocks you're looking at? There's an awful lot of them that are beaten down, and they shouldn't be. There's no reason those stocks should be down whatsoever. So let me know what you think in the comments below. That's it for Investors XP today. Thank you for watching. We appreciate all the subs we've been getting lately. We tipped over the 100 mark. Love it. So leave your comments. Love hearing the comments that people have and their picks on their stocks. We've gotten some really good viewer picks. So please, I want to see more of them. And more comments on your investment styles for new investors to check out. Really want to hear that. So thank you for watching. We will see you tomorrow.